Are you tired of starting your day with zero energy or, worse, sugar-heavy cereals that leave you crashing by noon? You are missing the most critical metabolic window of your day. Welcome back to Maxinutrifacts. Today, we are fixing your morning routine with 7 scientifically balanced, high-protein breakfast plates. These aren't just random meals. We've broken down the exact macros to keep you full, fuel your muscles, and stay under 400 calories. Whether you're meal prepping or cooking fresh, here's your fuel for the next 7 days. Let's get into it. Day 1, the bioavailable starter. Day 1, we start with the gold standard of absorption. You need 2 soft-boiled eggs. Pair this with 1 slice of toasted brown bread for sustained energy. But we aren't done. Add a 1/4 cup of boiled and roasted chickpeas for fiber, half an apple for natural sweetness, and 1 tablespoon of dry roasted pumpkin seeds for a zinc boost. The breakdown: this entire plate is just 372 calories and delivers 20 grams of protein. Day 2, the volume plate. Day 2, let's increase the volume without the calories. Take 2 whole eggs, scrambled or sunny side up, oil-free if possible. Serve with a slice of multi-grain toast. On the side, add a fresh cucumber and tomato salad. This adds hydration and crunch. Finish with a small serving of papaya to aid morning digestion. The breakdown: high volume, high satiety, 350 calories and 18 grams of protein. Day 3, the creamy power bowl. Day 3 is for when you need speed. Grab a bowl of Greek yogurt or low-fat curd. Top it with a handful of walnuts or almonds for those essential brain-boosting fats. Add half a cup of fresh berries for antioxidants and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This is pure casein protein, which digests slowly to keep you full longer. The breakdown: roughly 320 calories and a solid 20 grams of protein. Day 4, the fiber giant. Day 4, we focus on gut health. Take your whole wheat toast and smash a 1/4 avocado on top. Top that with sautéed kidney beans, seasoned with paprika. It sounds heavy, but the fiber content here is massive. Serve with a side of steamed broccoli or bell peppers. The breakdown: 360 calories with 15 to 18 grams of protein, mostly from plants. Day 5, the omega boost. Day 5, let's get those omega-3s. We're doing 1 slice of rye bread topped with light cream cheese or hummus, and 50 grams of smoked salmon or a lean tuna mix. Pair this with 2 hard-boiled egg whites on the side to maximize protein without adding extra fat. The breakdown: 340 calories and a massive 22 grams of protein. Day 6, the protein oatmeal. Day 6, oatmeal is usually low in protein, so we're hacking it. Cook half a cup of rolled oats. Once cooked, stir in a scoop of whey or pea protein powder. Top with flax seeds and sliced banana. This transforms a carb-heavy bowl into a complete macro meal. The breakdown: 380 calories, 25 grams of protein. Day 7, the Sunday Scramble. And finally, Day 7, the Sunday Special. Make a 2-egg omelet loaded with mushrooms, onions, and spinach. Serve with a side of roasted sweet potato cubes instead of bread. This is a perfect recovery meal after a long week. The breakdown: 390 calories, 20 plus grams of protein. Conclusion: 7 days, 7 ways to hack your metabolism. Remember, a high-protein breakfast stabilizes your blood sugar and kills cravings later in the day. Which of these plates are you trying tomorrow? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Maxinutrifacts. Eat smart, live strong. See you in the next one.